Okay, the somersault squat. Biomechanically, it's very challenging, but once you actually grasp how the movement works and you actually feel the movement for the first time correctly, it actually makes a lot of sense, and it's a fantastic exercise for quad development. Very challenging, and some people who do it in the gym can feel a little bit awkward and they feel a little bit silly, but trust me when I say it is an excellent movement to develop your quads and also challenge you. So, the setup done on the Smith machine. I generally encourage someone to raise their heels, so use a plate. 10 kilos probably adequate. You know, we're talking maybe 3/4 of an inch in height. You can use a slant board, you can put 2 little plates under your heels. It just allows for a greater range of movement in your legs. The key here is that you want to actually be, and I don't know how well you can see this. Let me see if I can get this in closer so you can actually physically see what I'm trying to do. Let me see if that works. Like that. There, okay. There we go, maybe. So, what we're going to try and do is I'm going to try and get in, I want the bar into the crease of my groin. So, set it up that level. I'm going to bring my feet forward of the bar so that I've got contact, okay? There's no connection, no disconnection from the bar. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep upright and I'm getting into a squat position. Knees are projected forward, the bar's sitting in my crease, in my groin. And then as I commence to squat up, I'm actually rotating myself around the bar. So there's always contact. My legs are driving the bar up and I'm just keeping myself locked in with my hands. And you'll notice that I rotate back over so I can see myself in the mirror if I need to, facing forward, press back up again. That's essentially the movement, okay? A lot of people will struggle with the depth and they'll sort of get to here and then they'll rotate around so it's very short. We want to create as much elongation around the quads as we can, and that starts with the depth of the movement first, okay? Once you've mastered that, and I'm out of breath because these things are really challenging, once you've mastered that, you will get across the actual movement itself. You can do a flat-footed. If you've got good ankle mobility, you can do a flat-footed without a plate raising your heels, that's fine. But in all likelihood, you will need a heel elevation with good contact. That's the key, good contact. Feet are slightly projected forward, look for good range. Start with a lightweight, get used to the movement first. And then I reckon after a little bit of time, a little bit of playing around, you'll master the somersault squat.